So I'm having a bit of a clear up. I did clear all that, and then stuff's gone back there. But I've got to get that side cleared to put that wall on that wall, so I can put my Dymaloys on that wall. It's all complicated. Anyway, how we all doing? Hope you're doing good. Hope you're doing really good. Right. So today's auction. Whoa. £12, right? Not that one. £12. A record 14. A record 14. A record 18. And a record 24. £12 the fucking lot. Bargain, eh? And a made in Switzerland Wanner, the same as wanker without the K, Wanner grease gun. So that all looks good. That go on eBay. I might even get my money back on that one item. Separate lot. What was that? That was 12. This was 10. One was 12. One was 10. I'm sure this was 10. So what we got here is a part set. Henry Hansen tap. It's not tap and die. It's just tap because there's no dies. And so that was a fiver, and this was a fiver. And this one. Well done, Jim. That one is a new Presto. And it is about 85% complete. I am well happy with this. So that was a 10 of a pair, calling them a fiver each. Right. Remember these from just now? I'm going to strip them down to bare metal. This is a bit worse than what I thought, but I'm going to strip them down to bare metal. Look at that rusty bugger. And spray them. You really don't want to watch rust dust, so straight on to sprayed. Rust-Oleum hard hat blue. Done. So the first bargain of this week was this bahco alligator or fishtail wrench. So it's an adjustable spanner one end and it's fishtail the other. That'll accept nearly any size nut. It's a number 23, so it's a very early one from the 1920s. It was only in production for a few years. I also got this bundle of bahcos, 13 bahcos and 3 other spanners for just £50. There's the 3 others. These ones are a bit of a state, as you can see. Rusty. Some of them have got paint all over them. I'm going to clean up enough to recover my money and get them listed on eBay. We'll do the magic flick of the fingers. There we are. And I've cleaned up 7, I believe. These are going to go in bundles of 3, 2 and 2. So here's the eBay advert pictures. And I think you'll agree they do look very nice now. Took me about an hour and a half to do all 7 because they were quite bad. But these should sell for around £70, which will get me my money back. And there they are, all finished. 2 hours start to finish, people, including drying of the Rust-Oleum hard hat blue. Now, although I have grabbed some bargains this week and turned them around, I have also lost some stuff. I lost this vice. I was winning this for 10 days. From the very first time it was listed until the last 6 seconds when someone outbid me. And also then I moved on and I lost this as well. Thank you, Darren, for outbidding me. No, someone else outbid me, then you outbid them. This went for so much money. I couldn't believe this. Anyway, look after it, Darren. Right, back to these again, before and after, and then I'm going to bugger off. All right, so I'm going to say... Who says that? Bye for now.